In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Constant Contact. This is a fantastic skill to have, especially if you're working on creating visually appealing emails that capture your audience's attention. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to insert your image inside a text block in your email template. If you don't already have a text block ready in your template, you'll want to add one. Think of the text block as your canvas. You'll use the guideline provided to help position it in exactly the right spot. This ensures that your email maintains a neat and organized appearance, making it easier for your readers to absorb the information. Once your text block is ready and in place, it's time to add the image. You'll need to go to the Images tab if you have your image ready, or you can use an image placeholder from the Build tab if you're planning to add the actual image later. Simply drag your selected image into the text block. As you do this, look out for the pink box that appears. This handy visual aid will guide you in positioning your image neatly within the text block, whether you prefer it on the right or left side of your text. Just drop your image into place when you're satisfied with the position. It's crucial to keep in mind that the text block can feature only one image, so always make sure you're working with the correct one. Now, in some instances, you might notice a pink guideline appear next to the text block instead of a pink box. This indicates that the image has created a column next to the text block rather than being placed within it. It's essential to ensure that you see the pink box so that the image can be correctly wrapped by the text. Once your image is settled in the text block, the next step involves adjusting its size. You'll use the drag handle, which is essentially a small grip on the image, to decrease its size. This sizing down is important because it facilitates the text wrapping process. The wrapped text doesn't just appear neatly around a smaller image. It also integrates seamlessly to create a more fluid, professional look in your email. Additionally, adding more text to the block can make the text wrapping effect more pronounced and visually striking. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully wrapped text around an image in your Constant Contact email. With this newfound ability, you can now enhance the visual dynamics of your emails, making them not only informative but also highly engaging for your readers. Keep practicing these steps, and over time, you'll become even more proficient in designing attractive, content-rich emails. Happy creating!